Alright, just want to show everybody, in case you have this problem. This is Navien or Navien, this tankless water heater. I pushed reset because it wasn't on. Looks like it fixes it at first. Like everything's good. But in fact it's not. It goes back to the E.110 code. It shows a picture of a wrench. So you take off 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 to get this lid off, this cover. So I already got three of them out. Here's the 4th one.
Go for me.
And you take off this lid. Okay. Here's the inside of it. Up here, here's your intake and exhaust, I believe, for bringing the air in and letting it out. But up in here is a little screen filter. And usually there's a screw right here. And I had to back off these 2 screws right here to slide it out. So let's see if this is a problem. And yes, it is. Full of moths. Beautiful, ugly moths. So check that before you go calling somebody and spend hundreds of dollars to have them do this and not tell you about it. Have fun.